Hey friends, it's Amy Dub, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. It's Monday, and I just got home from Texas about an hour and a half ago. Guys, I want to jump on really quickly to show you if I can do this, you can do this. I traveled all day today, woke up early, had breakfast with one of my friends, and then got on the road to the airport. Just got home an hour and a half ago. Seriously, started first thing this morning. And I could have easily stopped at the gas station for one of their little pizzas because they're really good. Or I could have stopped at McDonald's. I could have stopped at Popeyes. I could have stopped anywhere and ate unhealthy tonight. Because I'm tired, right? It's a long day. But instead, I decided to come home and make something so easy. And I want to show you guys, your meals don't have to be fancy every time you cook. As you jump on, let me know where you're watching from, and I'm going to tell you what we're doing tonight. It's so easy. You don't need a recipe for it. It's so easy. You don't need a recipe. We're making a simple hamburger steak. So guys, I've got hamburger patties. I just mixed my hamburger. I put in a little Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of low sodium Dale seasoning. It's like a liquid Dale seasoning, D-A-L-E-S. That's it. And I patted those burgers out. They smell delicious. You can season them with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Just a simple hamburger patty. I'm going to put these in the warmer, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing to put on top of them when they're done. Oh, yeah. What we're doing to put on top of our hamburger steak, guys, is a simple onion and mushroom. I took an onion and I cut it in slices. I cooked the onion in a tablespoon of butter, and I threw in a little bit of splashes of Worcestershire sauce. That's it. And then I just cut up some baby bella mushrooms and threw those mushrooms in here once the onion started to get soft, because the onions cook a lot longer than the mushrooms. And guys, that's it. We're just going to pour this on top of our hamburgers, and we've got a hamburger steak that's easy. Nothing fancy, fast. You can be home, do what makes you feel good, and that is to put clean, good food in your body and be done for the night. And guys, when you cook something easy like this, you actually have time to meal prep. So we're fixing to put together something that I'm going to grill tomorrow night if you guys are interested in watching this seasoning mix. So as you jump on, let me know where you're watching from, and if you like easy meals, say easy. That's all I want you to do, say easy. And guys, if you're new to my page and you want some getting started tips, say getting started. I'll show you how simple it is to just look at each meal and remove the carbs so that you actually feel good. All right, guys, let's make a mix together. I'm going to be grilling tomorrow because I've got to have an easy week because I've got a lot to do. You know, when you leave town, you come back home and you come back to work and there's a lot to do, right? My mom, y'all know, traveled the same day I traveled, but she went in a totally different direction. She went to Colorado. I went to Texas. So she's coming home tomorrow night. No, she's coming home Wednesday night. So I've got to go back to the airport on Wednesday to pick up Mom. So I've got today to get some work done around the house. Tomorrow to do my best to get caught up at work. Wednesday, I've got to go to Memphis. And then I've got stuff going on all week long. So, guys, it's so easy for us to make excuses to say, man, I'm so tired, or I got so much going on. It'll be okay. I'll start over Monday. I've heard that a million times in my lifetime. I'll start over Monday. You know, Mondays never come because every single week you say you're going to start the next Monday. Mondays never come for you. So you have to be consistent, making simple choices every single day to create long-term success. Not short success, not 2 months success, not 6 months success, not 1 year success. Guys, I've been maintaining my fat loss for 6 years now, and it feels so good. So easy peasy meal. Let's make this. We're going to grill some chicken tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to shake this up. I've got 3 ingredients that we're going to mix together and pour over this chicken, and we're going to marinate the chicken overnight. Now, you can do this and marinate it for an hour, all the way up to overnight. I think the longer the better. So we've got a half a cup of Italian seasoning, or Italian dressing, an Italian dressing. Now, I'm going to tell you, next time I do this, I'm going to make all homemade dressings because I know how to make an amazing Italian dressing. I also have got recipes for an amazing ranch dressing that I have not even tried yet. So we're going to do a half a cup of Italian dressing. We've got a half cup of ranch. You can use whatever you love. This is a good option because it has a few ingredients. And then we're going to do a whole cup of barbecue sauce. You guys know I love G. Hughes, so this is just G. Hughes Hickory Barbecue Sauce. And our dinner is almost ready, y'all. I've got a side dish in the oven right now roasting. What do y'all think it is? Does anybody know my favorite side dish? If you're going to roast anything, roast your vegetables. They're so delicious. And my favorite one is in the oven right now. Our onions and mushrooms are almost finished, so we got dinner ready so quick. And we're making a marinade for tomorrow. So this is a half a cup of ranch, half a cup of Italian dressing, and a full cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. Guys, you just mix it together. Put this bad boy in the refrigerator, let it soak overnight marinating, and you've got a delicious chicken. You can put it over a griddle and grill it in your house. You can put it on the grill, which is what I'm gonna do. You can even air fry it. You can do anything you want to with this chicken. The marinade is awesome. I've not ever cooked it in the oven. I mean, I guess you could, but I don't really like to broil my food. I like to roast vegetables, but broiling chicken, I don't know if I'd like that. This also, I think, would be really, really good if you marinated it and then rolled it in that grated Parmesan cheese and stuck in your air fryer. I'm gonna be trying that very soon. When the winter comes, I will be doing that, but I love to use my grill in the summer. So look at that, doesn't it look good? So easy. And when you have simple meals like tonight, you've got time to prep for the next night when you're doing something so simple. So if you guys missed the front of the call, we're making a hamburger steak. A simple hamburger steak. It's just ground beef. And I seasoned it with a little bit of, what did I say? Worcestershire sauce. Heck, I can't remember what I seasoned it with. I seasoned the ground beef with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Oh, and a little bit of splash of the low sodium Dale seasoning, which is Dales. If you guys have tried it before, in the comments say, I've tried it. I love Dale's. It's really good. I get the low sodium, and you just need a little tiny bit for a great flavor. So that's all I did with the hamburger. I cooked the hamburgers. They're in the oven in my warmer tray. And then we decided to just continue keeping it simple. So I've got some onions and mushrooms. I just cooked the onions in a tablespoon of butter. As soon as they started to get soft, I added the mushrooms because the onions take a lot longer to cook. And that's it. I just put butter, another little splash of Worcestershire sauce, and look how good that's going to be over our hamburger steak. So guys, you don't always have to cook fancy. You just want to cook smart and simple so that when you start today, you can do the same thing for 5-6 years. If you keep it simple, you can actually see success and continue to see success is what the goal is, right? It's a lifelong change. Who wants to lose 60 pounds and then gain 30 of it next year? Who wants to lose 80 pounds and gain half of it over the next 2 years? Like nobody, right? We don't live a diet, we live a lifestyle. And if you keep things simple and delicious, you can keep going for as long as you want to. But as soon as you start to make it complicated, you're going to fail. Because who wants to be complicated? Who wants to spend so much time in the kitchen? Who wants to feel like they're depriving themselves every single day? Just live a simple lifestyle with clean food, and you guys are going to do great. So if you want those getting started tips, say getting started, and I'll send them to you. I'm going to jump off, guys, because our food is ready. I got my marinade ready, going in the fridge. I got my onions and my mushrooms ready. Oh, let me show you my side dish. I don't know if anybody guessed. So let me see if anybody guessed my side dish. What is my favorite roasted side? I love cabbage, but it's not cabbage. Oh, Donna said cabbage. It's not cabbage. I love, love, love roasting vegetables. All right, let me show you what I got. Oh, and it's ready. It's ready. The most simplest thing in the world is roasting vegetables. So all I did was take a bag of already washed and ready to go broccoli, cut the big florets and smaller ones, heavily drizzled with avocado oil, salt, and pepper. That's it. It's been roasting on 350, so it's brown around the edges. Perfect. It's ready to go. Yes, broccoli, Patricia, you know. All right, guys, I'm going to pull this together, and we're going to fix our plates so that Ricky and I can catch up from the weekend. Y'all have a great night, and if I can help you with anything, let me know. Say getting started for those tips, and I'll see all of you guys later. Bye.